What's up, YouTube? My name's Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first episode of my progress journal for my game GUNSHIELD. GUNSHIELD is my game for my senior capstone at GMU. I'm part of a team of 5, and my role is the programmer, as well as like integration and all this stuff. So I'm making a video every week. This is episode 0. It's kind of like an intro to the project, what I've been working on so far. I've been working for about 5 weeks. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of how the game's working so far and what's going on. So GUNSHIELD is a top-down, two to four player like arena battler, and it has like twin stick shooter controls. And kind of the main thing with the game is that your laser bullets will like bounce around. Um, and the main like thing with the game is you either get to choose to use your gun, which I'm using now, or you can switch to the shield to play like on defense. And with like the shield, as you can see, it's kind of buggy still. The shield you can like block bullets. And the main thing is your gun, you only get a certain number of shots before you kind of run out of energy, and then you have to use your shield to kind of recharge by blocking bullets. So you can't just turtle, because if you block too many bullets, your shield will overheat. But yeah, it's kind of the main gist of the game. So as you can see here, I got like basic movement, shooting down, got the shield swap. Um, this is going to be like where the player UI would go. So you got like characters and then their like charge rate, abilities, perks, whatever. So the main thing with this game is you basically are going to be selecting a pilot and then customizing your robot to battle. So right here I'm working on like this little bit of a like, character customization. It's like really rough right now, but you can see you can click and you can change things. So I'm trying to get that finished this week. Hopefully, next video up will go on Saturday, and from there on out, videos will be on Saturday. Um, I'm excited to start making these progress videos, showing off my game. Hopefully, maybe attract some fans, grow the channel, and just show you guys what I'm working on. Keep me motivated and just hopefully show some cool stuff. So that's really all for now. I guess I can show you a little bit what I'm working on here. So another thing with the customization is we want to have like neon glows. We're going for like a sci-fi, like futuristic type of vibe, kind of like Tron, like cyberpunky, but not as gritty and like bad as cyberpunk is. So you see we have this like glowing UI, and right now I'm working on another thing I'm working on is the ability to change the color. So as you can see this cube material, I have these like RGB values. When you change, you like change the color. It's still kind of weird. I'm not exactly sure why it like doesn't change color that well. I'm not sure what these numbers represent because usually they're like 0 to 255 for like RGB, but these only go to 2 in my settings. I just have it like at a max and a min because that's all that was like changing. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research, but you see it's kind of working so far. And basically I want to have the players be able to select their color so that their UI and then their robot glow will like change. That way you can tell like who you are when you're playing. Um, let's see what else I got to show off right now. Really, there's not much so far. It's really kind of basic. Since I'm not doing any of the art really or like sounds, I don't really have any cool stuff like that yet. But a lot of it is just seeing kind of just like basic progress, basic functionality. There's still a lot of stuff I have to work on, things that are coming in the future. Local multiplayer. If we can figure it out, online multiplayer is a really big goal of ours, because that kind of just allows your game to go to the next level. Just by like putting it out for more players to be able to play. Um, some other things are kind of developing more pilots. Right now we have 2 ideas. One for like a reigning champ, because GUNSHIELD, I guess I should have mentioned this. GUNSHIELD is like set in the future. It's like a cyber sport kind of, or not cyber sport, but like a sport. Um, so basically, it's kind of like MMA or like boxing, kind of like Real Steel. If you've seen Real Steel, but like with guns. So it'd be like the 4 players like competing in these different type of game modes. Right now we're just working on a basic death match. Um, but yeah, it's basically like a sport. So you want to be like the winner, obviously. When you compete, you want to win. Uh, so our two character ideas are one, the reigning champ, which is like this cool. She's she's kind of like by the books, like textbook. Like if you watch basketball, think like Tim Duncan. Like fundamentals are like the best they can be, but they still got like a little bit of sauce. Uh, and then our other character is like kind of like scrappy upstart engineer who does like weird stuff to try and like get an edge in the battle. Um, right now these are two characters because we only have I think 8 more weeks to work on this before the semester ends. We have to submit like our vertical slice. So we got to get these like core features in. Hopefully this game will be finished, finalized, and released come spring 2020 or 2021. If everything goes well. We're aiming for probably an itch release, Steam, Xbox, PS4, or I guess PS5. If anybody actually got a PS5, I definitely did not. Pre-orders are ridiculous. But yeah, that's really all I got for the first update. If you guys want to check it out, make sure you subscribe. I'll be posting videos every Saturday with progress. Maybe some extra videos every now and then of other stuff I'm working on. I got a couple of cool other projects. Been working on some VR and AR stuff. Maybe I'll show some of that off. Got another cool like team project for another class with like the whole class working. We got like 30 people, so we're making like a pretty solid game there. But that's all for now. Um, hope you guys think this will be interesting. I hope some of y'all stick around to watch. And if you like what you're seeing, make sure you drop a like. Give me some comments if you got any like resources, feedback, ideas. I'll read everything, try and see if I can incorporate it. Because I'm still learning every day. Just trying to put the time in, get my product looking nice. So catch y'all in the next video. Uh, yeah, peace.